So here at the Rocky Mountains RMRRF Fest, here's an amazing dude. And he
Hello.
is having an ear for you, sort of speak.
Yes,
So,
that's true.
Let me introduce Margan from Hedamame.
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 Yeah.
Where is this all about? What do you do?
Yeah. Hedamame. It's actually kind of a funny thing behind the name. We'll start there. I wanted to design headphones that were 3D printable, and that required coming up with a mechanism that could adjust up and down and also let you pivot the ear cups to fit your head. And somebody on Reddit told me this looked like edamame beans. And that's where the name Hedamame came from. I just rolled with it and decided to name the whole thing Hedamame. So we have the Hedamame headphones are the large ones, and then the Minamame headphones are these smaller ones that are an on-ear model. And so the goal here was to allow people to 3D print their own headphones. And what I do is I put high quality parts in a kit so that instead of me having to manufacture and assemble and package headphones, I can just ship you the parts and then you can make your own headphones at home. And then of course, if you break them, like a friend of mine did this weekend, instead of having to throw these headphones out, he can just print a brand new pair and get back going again. So,
because we all know it that at some point one of those
the headband
is going to break. Something happens.
You can
and
drop
you have
them.
to buy a whole new headphones, which can be quite expensive. I have that before on a very expensive pair of PlayStation headphones. And it's great to have an opportunity like this that you can reprint the headband.
Yes, absolutely. They're great for angry gamers, people with kids. Lots of options there. And the kind of the whole point behind this is like they sound really good too. The goal is always to kind of disrupt the hi-fi market. I want to provide people with a path to excellent sound. Without the excellent price range that usually demands.
So what are the prices for those kits?
Yeah,
are they the same, or is there a difference between the two?
There is a difference. So this Minamame kit ships in a smaller box. There's fewer parts, and they start at $55 US. The Hedamame come with a few more parts. It's possible to get them with a boom mic that you can put on there for the gamers in your life, and they start at $110 up to $140. And there's options for which driver you might want and whether or not you want a mic.
And are there, besides the kit, do you need to have some other things like the wires or?
No, the kit comes with everything you need. There's only a dozen fasteners for Hedamame. There's only 8 fasteners for Minamame. They go together in like half an hour. And one of the coolest parts about them is the files can be customized. So this is done by my friend Andrew Sink. You can find these on printables. These specific open back cone design means that you can customize your headphones in a bunch of different colors, a bunch of different patterns. These ones are done by Dave Makes Stuff. Also an incredible open back pattern. And after this show, I've got some ideas for adding a pattern to the closed back version as well. Instead of just having the smooth one, you can customize from there as well.
Nice.
Yeah.
So where can people find the kits?
Try these on. So the kits are available at hedamame.com. They ship from my workshop in Vancouver, BC, and they typically ship within a week. And I think it's free shipping over a certain dollar amount. It's a great project. And if you're in the UK, you can find them on Vector 3D. And there's also some other websites that are starting to carry the kits as well.
Yeah, I will put the link in the description. The
Amazing.
link he mentioned, but also from resellers. So everybody can be very happy to get their own kits.
Okay.
And have an amazing headphones.
Yeah, thanks so much. And check out these Hedamame headphones. There's some assembly desired,
Cool.